Very good morning, all my dear students. Let's welcome Anju ma'am, ex-principal of Jaipuria and ex-vice principal of CMS School. CMS School के बारे में मैम खुद ही थोड़ा इंट्रो दे देंगे और मैम हमारे साथ हैं आपको गाइड करने के लिए अबाउट योर नीट एग्जामिनेशन दैट इज ऑन 12th of September. कुछ ही दिन बचे हुए हैं, इसलिए मैम से मैंने रिक्वेस्ट की है, मैम प्लीज.
Thank you so much, HSP sir. Now, children, I do understand the value of good wishes, as you have your NEET exam coming on the 12th of September, and 11th happens to be my birthday, and I really feel very excited to get the birthday wishes from all my well wishers. And yes, they do work. The wishes do work. They motivate us a lot. I can understand this is the last minute for you all to concentrate on your studies, but then it comes with a combination of a lot of anxiety and nervousness as well. So बच्चों, सबसे ज़्यादा important है इस वक्त हमें अपने आप को cool रखना. But then the question again comes, मैम कैसे अपने आप को cool रखें? We have got such a lot to study. इतना last minute revision, इतना brushing up. I know that you have help of your teachers with you, but then still अपनी anxiety और nervousness को control करने के लिए, अपने आप को cool रखने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके खुद के efforts. Your own efforts do matter. For that, eating healthy is one thing that we keep telling from your childhood days, that you should eat healthy, and nowadays of course you must ensure that you eat healthy food, light food, as well as drink a lot of water. Okay, a small amount of morning walk will definitely be helpful to keep you cool when nobody else is around. You can peacefully just go for a small walk of 15-20 minutes to help your body regain the energy that it should. And then, yes, very important is your 6 to 8 hours of sleep. तो बच्चों, इतना बस आपको करना है to ensure that you prepare well. अगर आपने सिर्फ इतने से efforts और डाल दिए तो of course you would be able to help yourself with a kind of revision that is required. So all my best wishes with you.
अंजू मैम एक सेकेंड, क्या NCERT के बारे में, क्योंकि आपका इस फील्ड में लगभग as I know 22 years आपने दिए हैं, तो NCERT इनके लिए कितनी हेल्पफुल रहेगी मैम प्लीज?
जितना सर आपके पास भी ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है और जितना मैं कह सकती हूँ, मुझे लगता है NCERT ने जो सिलेबस डिज़ाइन किया है दैट इज़ रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द चिल्ड्रन फॉर ऑल द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, बी इट नीट. And of course, NEET tops the list because most of the portion of the NCERT is covered in the exam. So I would also suggest the children to go through the NCERT extremely and extremely deeply.
मैम आपने लगभग, मैंने देखा और सुना है 15 to 16 years you have been to CMS. थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताएं.
Okay, as my experience in City Montessori School is concerned, I find myself to be very lucky to be associated with such an institution that is still the world's largest school in a single city and holds the Guinness Book of World Records for having around 57,000 children in one school in a single city. So I was very fortunate. It was a very good experience to be a part of such a large school.
मैम आपके पढ़ाए हुए बच्चे के बारे में कुछ बताएं, कहाँ कहाँ हैं, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत तारीफ सुनी है.
देखिए, एक टीचर के लिए मेरे ख्याल से जो सबसे बड़ी कमाई होती है, एक स्टेज पे आने के बाद व्हाट आई फील इज द टीचर फील ऑनर्ड with not the kind of salary that they have gained. They start feeling honored with the kind of places the children have achieved, the kind of success the children have achieved. And when I look back in my service career of around 16 to 20 years, I feel extremely and extremely happy when I find my children scattered all over the world, being doctors, engineers, top entrepreneurs, and as well as the IITs. They have just gone to the IITs and various good medical colleges.
थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट मैम. इतना वक्त निकालने के लिए, आपका कीमती वक्त इन बच्चों के भविष्य को बनाने में बहुत काम आएगा. एंड दिल से मैं आपको थैंक्स बोलता हूँ.
Thank you so much, HSP sir, for inviting me. And I once again wish the children all the best for the forthcoming NEET exam. Good luck, children. Thank you.